How to change and reset the descaling cartridge on Kärcher SC3 steam cleaner. So the first step is turning off the steam cleaner. So press the power button to switch off your Kärcher SC3 and then unplug it from the electrical outlet, which then allows the machine to cool if it has been in use. The cartridge should always be replaced when the machine is turned off. Now, the next step after that is removing the old cartridge. So locate the dequalification cartridge inside the water tank compartment here, and then pull the old cartridge straight upward and remove it from the machine. Avoid reinstalling a used cartridge as it's reached the terms of service for its life. And then install a new cartridge in. Take your new genuine Kärcher decalcification cartridge and insert it into the new slot and push it down firmly until it's fully seated. A properly installed cartridge helps protect the boiler from limescale buildup. Now, the next step is resetting the descaling cartridge indicator. To do this, turn the steam cleaner back on, then press and hold the maximum steam and reduce steam buttons at the same time until the red replaced decalcification cartridge indicator turns off. On some earlier SC3 models with a dedicated reset button, just simply press it and hold the button for 4 seconds when you're installing the new cartridge. And then just prime the new cartridge yourself, allowing the machine to heat up. Once it's ready, press and hold the steam trigger continuously for about 30 seconds. This removes trapped air and fills the new cartridge with water. The steam output may be weak at first, but it should quickly return to normal. And then just confirm your reset was successfully by checking up the red decalcification indicator has been turned off. If it remains on, make sure the cartridge is fully inserted. Repeat the reset process and verify you're using a genuine cartridge replacement cartridge. All right, guys, and that's it.